SMT automatic labeling and sorting conveyor line, automatic feeding, scanning, labeling, verification, sorting, and cutting. Manual placement of materials into the feeding area by operators. Industrial camera at the code reading station for positioning and code scanning. Materials enter the labeling and verification area. System generates customer labels based on code reading results. Labeling machine applies labels to the trays, supporting single or double labels. Efficiency, 3 seconds per tray. CCD code reading plus CCD verification accuracy, 100%. Automatic verification of tray labels after labeling. Industrial camera identifies tray labels and sends verification results to the central control system. Qualified trays are conveyed to respective sorting areas. Non-qualified trays are rejected into the NG storage bin. The process repeats in a cycle. System automatically cuts and discharges materials. Manual box labeling by operators. Equipment exit is reserved for docking with boxing equipment. And at our control points, enables integration with upstream and downstream feeding and sorting conveyor lines.